What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You trying to get it down? Why are you trying to get the flag down? Why? Why are you trying to take the flag down?
Why not?
Why? Why are you trying to take the flag down? Why? So? It's Palestine. We're supporting Palestine. We support Palestine.
Where's the land Palestine?
Where is Israel? What's wrong? What's wrong? You got a problem with the Palestine flag?
Why not?
You got a problem with it?
Yes,
Why? What's wrong with it? Why? What's wrong with it? Go on. Go on. Try to take it down. Go on. Go on. Try to take it down. Go on. Try to take it down. Try your best. Go on. Try. Try your best. I'll get your number plate as well, yeah? This is you. You're trying to take the flag down, and this is him. Man's trying to take the Palestine flag down, bro. Wait, hold on. Where's his car? This is his car, everyone. RE13 KVP Prius. What's wrong? Why are you trying to take the flag down? What happened?
Why is it hanging in England?
Why not?
Why, yes.
Why? What's wrong with it?
Why is it coming in England?
Why do you have a problem with it?
It's England. Why is it hanging
So
here?
what? Why do you have a problem with it? What's wrong with it? Why are you running away for?
You're a taxi driver.
I got your number plate, man. They're gonna go viral. Yeah?
You want to take the flag down?
You're trying to take the flag down, man. No way, man. Get out of here. Get out of here.